Let's make cute fruit keychains. Out of shoelaces. Here's what you need. Round paracord 4mm in diameter. 2 cords for the fruit measuring 100 cm long. Do get 110 cm if you're making this the first time. 1 cord for the stem measuring 50 cm long. Do not cut this yet if you're using a whole shoelace. Jewelry glue with a fine tip. 1 keychain ring, cutter or scissors. 2 beads with white holes. Each bead should be 1.6mm to 1.8mm wide. To start, add glue to the end of the green cord. Secure the bead. Add glue to the end of the pink cord and secure to the bead. We will be making a monkey fist knot for the fruit. Hold the pink cord and sandwich the bead between your 2 fingers like so. Wrap the cord around your fingers. There should be 4 loops if you are using a 4mm cord like I am. Count the number of loops on both sides of your fingers. Once you have 4 loops, stop and turn your cord to the side. Repeat 4 loops on both sides. Make sure you do not overlap. Now remove your fingers. Create 4 loops on this dimension as well. You're almost done. Trace back to the start of the cord and remove slack by pulling the cord very slowly in one direction. Make sure it is not too tight. Once you're finished, cut the cord. Apply glue and hide the cord. Add some more glue to the end of the stem to reinforce the fruit. When you are done with the first fruit, insert the keychain ring through the stem. Measure 13 centimeters and secure the other bead with glue to the stem. Glue the pink cord to your bead. Then cut the stem cord. Now make another monkey fist knot for your second fruit. When you're done with 2 fruits, it's time to create the leaf. First, we have to secure the loose cord with a constrictor knot. Place the leaf cord behind the fruit like so. Then make a cross with the long end on top of the short end. Bring the long end behind the fruit to the other side. Then place the long end on top of the short end. Now insert your cord through the middle of the cross. Make sure you have this knot in the correct position before you pull both sides, because once you do so, it will be very tight and not move at all. When you're done, cut off the excess cord and apply glue to seal. I like to pinch it at the end so it looks cinched. Finally, let's create a leaf knot. Make a loop like so. Make sure the long end is behind the short end. Then we are going to weave this cord into both sides of the loop. Bring the cord into the loop 8 times. And tighten this up and basically be done here, but I like to hide the remaining cord inside the bottom loops. Cut the cord, glue the end, and you are done. Here is how it looks from the front and the back. And this is all. Check out the shop link below, like and subscribe for more. One Bliss!